Hi, this is Jeffrey Cohen, President and founder of U.S. Advanced Computing Infrastructures, an Illinois corporation. And I'm here on June 12, 2020 to give you a quick update. We've had a major breakthrough with our company. So there's a number of us that are working, and we're doing significant research into the use of quantum computers to solve one problem: how to pick stocks, especially how to pick stocks in this troubled times that we're in, based on maximizing your return, your expected return, while minimizing the variability or risk of your stocks. And so we've gone through about 6 months, which is unbelievable, of defining this problem classically and truly understanding it. What are the different ways to analyze stocks? So we came up with two of them. One is the Sharpe ratio, and the other is the Chicago quantum ratio. We found the Chicago quantum ratio was a little cleaner in the math, and it gave us a little more consistent answers, a little less focus on the day-to-day movement of the stock market, and a little more the intrinsic variability and return structures of the stocks. So then we went ahead and we started running them on a quantum computer. D-wave systems, the 5,000 qubit models. And what we found there is all the math is different. All the logic is different. Quantum programming means you have to think differently. So over the course of a few months, we tried a number of mathematical formulations and reformulations of the problem. We built our own simulators so that we wouldn't have to keep the quantum computer busy all day. We built models of how the quantum computer works, how the data works, how the portfolios work. We also built matrix mathematical formulations that are similar to how a quantum computer works. One of the things that I jokingly told a reporter yesterday is quantum computers don't divide and they don't multiply. They add and they subtract. So imagine doing a Sharpe ratio or a Chicago quantum ratio, which requires division, on a computer that doesn't divide. It's a challenge. We've overcome that challenge, and on the 10th of June, we reached a major milestone. We were able to demonstrate what we believe is quantum advantage for ourselves. So here in the office, we have a server, we have a laptop, we have a Mac, a Mac Pro. And so we're running these applications, these classical formulations, and we get stuck at 40 assets. So 40 assets brute force, which is how we do our classical work, means that the computer would run 1.1 trillion portfolios to optimize them, evaluate them, report out on them, print them, and then allow the user to decide, okay, I like those. I like the best 10. And let's take a look. 1.1 trillion calculations, or 1.1 trillion portfolios optimized. It's too many. But we could form that problem using a new formulation called the Chicago quantum net score. We can run it on the quantum annealer, and within a matter of seconds, we have answers. So we have all that data put into a file. We download the file. We take a look at it. It takes about a minute, maybe at most 2 minutes to do this. And we can have a group of portfolios that would be good to invest in out of a universe of 1.1 trillion. We define that as quantum advantage. We have that, and we're in the process now of writing and publishing those results. So I want to thank you for listening. We are very, very excited about this milestone, that we now feel more competent to take a business problem, a financial problem, to understand the math, to run it classically, to really dig into it, and then to look at a quantum reformulation of the problem. Then to run it on a quantum annealer, D-wave systems, with all the tuning and all the work to get a quantum computer to give you a great result, and then to have results that are good enough to invest money in. And so we're, again, very, very excited. We're ready to do this with clients, by the way, as well. The three of us, with our other associate team members, would love some client work. So if you have any problems and you want to see what it looks like on a quantum computer, please give us a call or check us out on the web at www.chicagoquantum.com. Thank you very much for listening. Again, this is Jeffrey Cohen, President, Chicago Quantum. Take care now.